the fabric of space-time and the concept of eternity. In the quiet, dimly lit corridors of the Kronos Research Institute, Dr. Evelyn Carter stood before a machine that could alter humanity's understanding of the universe. Dubbed the Ethereal Weave, it wasn't just a scientific marvel. It was a potential window into eternity itself. For years, Evelyn and her team had worked on manipulating the fabric of space-time, but tonight was different. Tonight, they would attempt to send a signal beyond time. As she adjusted the final controls, Evelyn's thoughts drifted to her late mentor, Dr. Marcus Vail. Marcus had been obsessed with one question: what lies beyond the boundaries of time? He believed that the universe, a delicate tapestry of space and time, was not merely a physical phenomenon, but a reflection of something eternal, something divine, the first signal. The machine roared to life, its core pulsating with energy. On the monitor, Evelyn watched as the simulation of space-time unfolded, a mesmerizing lattice of interconnected threads. Her colleague Theo monitored the readings signal transmission initiated. Theo announced destination nowhere and everywhere. As the signal disappeared into the fabric of the universe, a sudden spike in the readings made Evelyn's heart skip. The machine detected something, a ripple returning along the threads of space-time. "That's impossible," Theo muttered, staring at the screen. "We shouldn't be getting anything back." Evelyn leaned closer, her eyes wide. "It's not a random distortion, it's structured." The ripple resolved into a pattern. A repeating sequence of numbers. Evelyn recognized it immediately. It was the Fibonacci sequence, a mathematical blueprint of nature itself. "Is it a response?" Theo asked, his voice shaking. Evelyn whispered, "It's more than that. It's a signature, the echo of eternity." As the team scrambled to analyze the data, the patterns began to shift. The numbers transformed into symbols, then into something even more startling: images. They saw galaxies swirling in synchronized motion, stars collapsing and reforming, and finally, an intricate design resembling an infinite loop. Evelyn's mind raced. The loop symbol appeared in ancient texts and spiritual philosophies across cultures. It was the Ouroboros, the serpent eating its own tail, a representation of eternity. "It's as if the universe itself is trying to communicate," she said, her voice trembling. "But who or what is behind it?" Before Theo could respond, the room dimmed. The machine's core glowed brighter, casting eerie shadows. A voice resonated, not through speakers but directly in their minds. "You seek to unravel the weave of existence," it said, calm yet overwhelming. "But to touch eternity is to confront what you cannot comprehend the vision." Evelyn felt her consciousness pulled beyond the lab, beyond Earth, into the very fabric of the cosmos. She saw the universe in its entirety, galaxies as vibrant threads, black holes as knots tying space-time together, and an omnipresent energy flowing through it all. Amid the grandeur, a figure emerged, a shimmering form made of stardust and light. It wasn't a deity in the traditional sense, but something beyond labels, embodying both the scientific and the divine. "You call me eternity," it said. "I am not bound by your dimensions or time. I am the reason for existence and its unending cycle." Evelyn struggled to find words. Why show us this?" "To remind you," the entity replied, "that science and faith are not opposites. They are threads of the same tapestry, interwoven to reveal the infinite, the awakening." Evelyn awoke on the lab floor, gasping. Around her, the team was equally stunned. The machine had powered down, but the monitors displayed one final message: "Seek not to conquer eternity, but to understand its reflection within you." In the following weeks, Evelyn shared their findings with the scientific and spiritual communities, sparking debates and awe. Some dismissed the event as a cosmic anomaly, while others called it proof of a higher intelligence. Evelyn, however, knew the truth was more profound. The universe wasn't just a physical structure or a divine creation. It was both, and humanity's role was to explore it with curiosity and humility. Standing beneath the night sky one evening, she gazed at the stars and whispered, "We are all part of the weave, and eternity is closer than we think."